Good morning, TPC family. Good morning, Visayas, Mindanao, and Luzon. Thank you for choosing TPC as your business partner. In return, we have some announcements to make. Our promotional items will be available next week. It's a first come, first serve basis while supply lasts. First, our barangay phone. It's a pay phone para sa cellphone. Second, our TPC retailer phone for only 499 with menu. And we are also accepting application for our East West Bank. It's an ATM card, it's personalized, it's a Visa card, a debit card, no maintaining balance. It's also a payroll account. For more details, please text our help desk. Alam ko po na excited na kayong madinig ang ating announcement na i-reveal today. So, we are also very excited na alam naming ikatutuwa ng bawat isa sa inyo. Una, all our silver members can now avail a 25% discount on all our tangible product. You can also earn from Unilevel 2 up to PIP level. And it will be implemented on March 5, 2013. So, alam ko na excited na kayo para doon sa malaking announcement na ikinukonsidera ko na one of the biggest announcement that we're going to reveal this year. And as your president, I'm very happy to announce that effective today, February 23, 2013, at exactly 4 p.m., PIP cycle is terminated. The company are going to pay you at the regular matching bonus. So, ibig sabihin po, even your PIP fare, we will pay you 630 pesos. Okay po ba? Alam ko na malaking tulong sa bawat isa sa inyo. At sana samahan nyo kami sa ating misyon, sa ating vision. We want to make history in networking industry. Be part of it. Natutuwa ka pag naalala ko nung nag-umpisa pa lang ng TPC. Marami po sa ating mga nakausap na a 2,500 entry pack with 300 direct referral and 700 matching bonus. Marami po nagsabi, in 3 or 4 months time, TPC magsasarado. At kung napupunan ninyo, kung naobserbahan ninyo, papaabante po tayo, hindi papaatras. Sa lahat ng gustong makatanggap ng komisyon, simula Huwebes, mag-send lang kayo ng inyong permanent account at matatanggap nyo na ang inyong komisyon ng Huwebes ng hapon hanggang Biyernes. At sa lahat na nagsabing hindi tatagal, imbitado po kayo sa unang taong anibersaryo ng TPC sa August 24, 2013. At tulad ng naipangako ng management, maraming announcement, magagandang balitang ibibigay itong taon na to. And we also want to congratulate in advance our leaders from Zambales na naghihintay na lang po ng release ng kanilang mga kotse. Nakakatuwa kasi marami ng testimony sa ating mga miyembro na malaking pagbabago simula nang sila ay mag-join sa TPC. So, I hope at alam ko sa mga oras na ito, tuwan-tuwa kayo dahil halos 20% ang magiging dagdag sa inyong mga komisyon. So, in behalf of TPC, we are very happy na maging partners kayo sa ating negosyo. So, maraming salamat at yung madalas nyo marinig na tagline natin, yung pong para sa inyo, para sa inyo. Magandang umaga at maraming salamat sa inyo lahat.